Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 10 or Windows 11 keeps randomly freezing. Let's fix it guys. I recommend to follow all these steps. First step, you just need to update your Windows. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open the check for updates. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here. Second step, you just need to disable unnecessary startup programs. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Go to startup apps. Just need to disable unnecessary programs by right click on them and select disable it. I recommend to disable BlueStacks, Steam, Epic Games, Battle.net and EA Launcher. After disabling these, you just need to close stuff here. Third step, you just need to adjust virtual memory. To do this, go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open it. Select settings under performance. Select advanced. Under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select C drive. Select a custom size option. Now you just need to find out how much RAM installed in your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here you just need to check how much RAM installed in your PC. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to check my video description for this installer size and maximum size. Copy the values depends on your RAM. In my case 16 GB RAM, so I am copying these values. Copy and paste it in installer size and maximum size. Copy and paste it, it depends on your RAM. And after that, select set option. Now the value should be set under paging file size. Select OK option, select apply and OK. Select OK. Select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Select open it. Select view by to large icons and select power options. In here, you just need to expand this show additional plans and select a high performance option. If you not have high performance, then you just need to select create a power plan. In here, select high performance and select next and create it. After selecting the high performance, just to close stuff here. Fifth step, you just need to clean up your disk. To do this, go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it. Just need to select the C drive and select OK. Select this clean up system files option. Select C drive and select OK. Now you just need to check mark all of these boxes listed over here and select OK option and select delete files. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Windows 10 or Windows 11 keeps randomly freezing problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.